Another useful option for moving, rotating, and scaling objects is through the use of the gumball. If you look at the bottom of your screen, in the modeling aids, you'll see that there's an option to toggle the gumball on. So with the gumball toggled on, I can select an object and it will appear. The red and green arrows represent move options, so I can click on the red arrow and drag to move an object. I can also click on the red arrow and specify a specific distance to move an object. If I click on the red square, I can left click and drag to redefine the scale of this object. And the blue arc represents rotation, so I can either click on the blue arc and, again, dragging the left mouse button, I can rotate this this object, or I can left click on the blue arc and specify a specific rotation angle for this polygon. So the gumball is very useful, and there's other options for repositioning the gumball. If you click on the white circle, you'll see that we can relocate or reposition the gumball. We can align it to the C-plane or object or world coordinates, and there's some other options as well. So this is a very useful and convenient way to move, rotate, and scale that is a little bit more interactive and intuitive than maybe some of the other options.